Metaphysical energy refers to a concept in metaphysics, which is a branch of philosophy that deals with the nature of reality and the fundamental principles that govern it. In metaphysics, each energy is often seen as a fundamental aspect of the universe and is believed to be the driving force behind all matter and phenomena. There are many different ideas about what metaphysical energy is and how it works. Some people believe that it's a force that is present in all things and that it can be harnessed and manipulated in various ways. Others see it as more of abstract concept, something that is not necessarily tied to physical matter, but is still a fundamental aspect of reality. Some common examples of metaphysical energy include chi, prana, mana, auras, psychic energy. These are all examples. What I want to teach in this video is, can you feel yours? And here's a test on how to see if you can do it. Place your hands out in front of you on your lap, on your thighs. Knees? Okay. Place your hands out in front of you on your knees. Look at your hands and then visualize your hands in your mind. Just breathe and visualize your hands. You'll start to feel them tingle. And if you felt them tingle or vibrate, you just felt your energy. Thank you, and I hope you have a safe and happy New Year's.